crafters, Craftily Creative Lady here. Today is all about you and your silhouette software and me to tell you all about it. Let's get crafting. Let me just emphasize that the nesting function is only available in Designer Edition and Business Edition. To minimize the space required to cut certain designs, the nesting feature can be used. You can choose your entire media surface to nest in, or you can have a selection area to nest all your shapes in. If you choose to use your cut area, your entire media surface can be used to nest your shapes. Use your selected tool. If you would like to nest your shapes in a certain area, first draw the area on your workspace. Next, click Use Selected in the Nesting menu. Nesting will occur within the defined area. Select all the shapes you would like to nest. In the Nesting menu, you can adjust the rotations and padding of the shapes you need to be nested. Increasing rotations and or decreasing padding will yield in a tightened nest. After making any necessary adjustments, click Next and the shapes will nest together to maximize the optimal space. If you have selected more shapes that will fit in the nested area, the software will determine which shapes fit best in the area. A practical exercise in nesting. So remember I said there's two options: to use your entire cut area or just to use a selection to nest all your shapes in. So the first one is use your entire cut area. So this is this entire red lined block, your entire page, in other words. So what we'll do is we'll go to this menu and we'll select the button, which is this one. This is nesting. Then you have a nesting menu. Make sure that the use cut area is selected and then just click Nest. Voila, it's nested. So the other option is use selected. So the first thing you will do now is you will get yourself a boundary box first. So you will draw the selected area that you want the nesting to take place in. You will click off. You will select the selected area. You will go to your menu and say set selected shape as boundary, and then you will go down to nest and say nest, and all the nesting will take place in your boundary box that you have just created. And the last thing I want to mention is, remember, if your boundary box is too small, the system will automatically just choose those ones that will fit best in your boundary box. So what I'll do is I'll make a boundary box that is far too small, and then click on the boundary box and go to select this shape as boundary box and say nest. So then you will see the orange one didn't fit in there, so the system or your software didn't put the orange one in there as well. And then if you go to your right, you can see you can align all the images, or you can select the padding to be bigger or smaller, and you can also choose the rotations. And that's it from me and your Silhouette Studio Business Edition software. Thank you for watching my video. Till next time, goodbye.